Alright, this is my Xbox 360, and I'll show you that it has this awesome red ring of death and despair. And I'm going to show you how to make it to where that will never happen again. My little overheating trick. Alright, in order for this to work, you're going to need a giant frontal lens and some sort of eye protection because it's going to be really bright. I'm going to use the sun to heat up your Xbox so it won't get the red ring anymore. Come over here, put on your eye protection. Find the sun. You're not going to get a whole lot of overheating. No red ring. It's good to go. You're fixed up.